Okay, let's get started. This is Luke. The first tip is how to use the magnifying feature on your iPhone. It makes a huge difference in your life, particularly if you're over 50 and your eyes don't work as well as everybody else's. And Luke set it up for me, and he's going to help you set it up yourself.
Hey ladies, so there are actually two ways that you can use your iPhone as a magnifier. One to magnify what is actually on the screen, and one to magnify what is in front of the camera. Just for convenience sake, what I'm going to do is put next to us somewhere a screen recording of what I'm doing so you can follow along. First thing you want to do is go to your settings app and then scroll down to accessibility. Now accessibility is, it looks like a little man with his arms out on a blue background. So just open accessibility and click on the little magnifier button. Now again, toggle magnifier on. If you've got an iPhone 10 and above, all you have to do is triple click the side button and it will instantly zoom in. So what you can see, I don't know if you can see behind us. How's this? Yeah. So it zooms in on whatever the camera is facing. If you've got ingredients on the back of packaging, or if you're reading a menu that you can't quite make out the words of, this is an excellent feature that helps you just read it a little bit easier.
A lot easier.
A lot easier.
Yeah.
And then again, down the bottom, there's a little slider to magnify in further and magnify further away. So if you zoom in, and you can see distinctly words that you probably couldn't see before. That is magnifier number one. Now, for magnifier number two, we want to go back to settings, back to accessibility, and then at the top, where it says zoom, just toggle that on. Now once it's toggled on, it should immediately zoom in. Now to unzoom it, just tap the screen twice with 3 fingers. So it'll zoom in and zoom out. So this is just a really handy feature when you're shopping, when you're out for dinner, and there's no one to read a menu for you, like we have to do constantly for you. Which is fine, happy to do it.
It's true.
Yeah, but it's just a really simple way to make your life a little bit easier, which is what we're all about.
Thank you, Luke.
No worries.